Got a little unboxing for you. This was the Collector's Limited Edition Starfield Constellation Edition. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Hi guys, Ralph here. So we have in front of us a game that I wanted to play and listened to the hype and thought it would be the next best space game after Elite Dangerous or No Man's Sky or anything like that. But I've played the game and I wanted the collectibles. I like the collectibles for some of the games, and this is no exception, an absolute masterpiece of a collector's. So this is the Starfield Constellation Edition. This is for the Xbox Series X and S. I don't have one. I have the standard Xbox ones, but it's just basically it's the game. I can play this on Game Pass, so that's fine. I can put it on the PC. I don't think it will work on an Xbox One S, which is what I've got, but this is the collector's bit. This is what I like to do. So usual artwork, nice little rainbow pattern on the sides, Chronomark, and what you get inside is all this. A downloadable game. Well, this is being used, so it's somebody else's code. I bought this off eBay because I didn't get one brand new. We have the Steelbook display case, we have the watch, we have the watch case, and we have the Constellation pack. Also would be with this, with the original person having this, would be the expansion pack, but we'll get there eventually anyway. It's nice that they do some things like this anyway. I mean, this is literally, the case inside here is taken straight from the game. It's absolutely brilliant. So, you got a sleeve holding everything in place. Trying to be as gentle as I can. Doesn't want to come up to it. There it goes. Knocking the camera on the way out. So, we've got inside more packaging. The wonder is, not that the field of stars is so vast, but that man has measured it. Cool. So inside, Life Pack Interlink LPV 6.0. Cool as anything. So there's a Bluetooth smartwatch inside, which shows it would have been, I mean, in my mind when I first saw this was going to be released, and I didn't buy it from scratch, was will this actually be linked to the game? But it isn't. So yeah, it's fine. So we have inside here a lovely Starfield Edition steel box, and inside here, I think that comes out like that. We have the code, and I'll put my finger over that because I don't want any of you guys to go, oh look, I'm gonna put that code number in. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It's for the collector's part I want. That's why I've got this chip and I've got it like that. Is it on both sides, do you think? Well, there's some codes on the back. It is a heavy piece of metal, this. It doesn't do anything, obviously, but it's just part of the thing. So I like that. It's great. And it comes in a steel box, which I suppose that bit just will come out if you've ever got a downloaded version or well, it's the downloaded version anyway, but it's if you ever got a disc version, I suppose, but it's nice. Steel box. Looks pretty good on the shelf. If not, what is that? Why is that plastic in there? That's not anything particular, is it? No. I think I'm just over it, yeah, because it's a plastic case inside it. It's the edge showing, so yeah, it doesn't matter so much. You get that with it, and you get a nice bit of polystyrene, and you get some more polystyrene, which then releases this bad boy. So give me a sec, I need to just take this out without destroying the polystyrene. So quick cut right here. So out of the packaging, we've got Property of Constellation. Contains Chronomark, Life Pack Interlink LPV 6.0. This way up, we'll look around this anyway. Nice matte bronze gold effect on there. Latch there, which probably doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. Just a nice extra part on. Front to unlatch. It's nice they've got this strapping that goes around it, which doesn't, but it's just meant to give it a bit more of a depth and a feel to this. But this is just basically a glorified watch case. But this is part of the game anyway, so you do just stuff with it. So you pull that down, and then, I'll just show you, you twist that round. I mean, come on. What, where and how is in anything has got that as a collector's thing? So open it up, Very nice inside. So we have the collector's patch. Very nice. I like collector's patch. I had a few for Elite Dangerous when I was playing, and then just for certain missions that I could get along the way. I have in here Chronomark label and a wireless charging pad, as well as a USB. It's a micro. That's fine. And where that goes to? Why is, oh, it's 2 extra parts for the strap. Right, okay, so the strap will go on there. I'm not sure if the strap will... Yeah, because you've got an extra strap on this. We've got the rubber one, and you've also got a material type, so you can swap over if you wanted. And the parts that I just showed in the bag down in there are just obviously parts that are connected to inside here. Same as like a smart watch, an Apple Watch, or a... I think is it Samsung that do them with the side bits, or is it Apple? I don't know. But you just slide that across, and this will pop off of there. So weirdly enough, I've not actually touched this yet. It's getting a bit warm in the garage now at the moment, but will this work? I don't think this will work. Maybe it's not turned on. Maybe look at the instructions. Okay, welcome to Constellation. Okay, so I need to scan that with my phone, and then I can get this paired to my phone. Well, yeah, be a Bluetooth watch for the phone. So let me get my watch out, my phone out. Let's have a look and see if we can pair this up. Okay, got an extension cable for this little short cable, and it's showing me the battery is completely dead. So let's let that do. Is it dead? Oh, it's not. Yeah, it says 0 to 100 on there, if you can see that. So let's get the phone ready. And let's have a quick spy on here. Let's go to a photo and let's see a picture without a glare. Yes, show options. It was the manual for the... That's weird. The phone's giving different colours. So it gives open in browser. So it'll show in browser. Must be the film on the top of this phone that's given a really weird... Yeah. But the camera, for me seeing it on the camera, it's not weird. Accept all, Bethesda. And there's one Constellation to get started. Enter your date of birth and date of birth. What? Why have I got to enter my date of birth twice? That's weird. Start, download the Starfield Chrono Watch companion app. Ah, okay. So that goes through to that. Yes, yes, yes. Set up your watch. Yes, yes. Wants me to enter my date of birth quite a few times, isn't it? Okay, so, yes. You don't need to know all that. Although I do a few videos now and then that shows, yeah, a little bit of a birthday thing. That does magnetize to here. There is a bit on there, but the 2 contacts need to be on there. So if it's on there, then it will go around. And it's actually on. It's November the 11th. It's not November the 11th. Why is... Actually, I really can't see through with the screen on there. I think my Paul filter, there's the filter in front which is blocking everything out. Okay, so now you can see that now. So pause for a couple more layers. So, just turn the lens round and it just blocks off. Cool. So we have this running. It's buzzing for some reason. So let's have a look. Vibration on, quiet mode, locale. This, excuse me, this scrolling up and down, or is it not? That's probably back. That's for that one. Yeah, okay. Is that up and down? And that's select, and that's back. Cool. What? I mean, it's a lovely little watch, don't you think? And you've got... I think it might be because I am taking this off of the charging part. It's a little bit flat. When you got the strap down, it kind of doesn't... Well, it does look like it charges anyway, but it just seems a little... I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely I'm doing that. So let's get the... We need to get the app sorted out. So while I get the app sorted out, and we'll go a quick jump forward. So apps installed from the Google Play because I have a Samsung. In here I have a Samsung S10 because I like to have something like this nearby. So Constellation, submit, I accept. Constellation watch setup. Bluetooth not authorized for this app. Allow Bluetooth. Okay, allow. Allow, thank you. Not yet paired with watch. Paired now. Scanning. Have done. That just buzzed. Pair with RTRS 10. That's a yes, which is that button. Pairing with phone. Pairing confirmed according to that. Connecting to watch. Yes, allow. Yes. Yes, I have all my details, it's fine. Updating. Oh, for firmware on the watch, needs an update. Cool. So I want version 2. Battery's going up nicely. That's now giving, updating the phone. The phone's going to update the watch. I have a line on the top there. It's going across. I don't think you can see that, can you? Let's move our way a little bit. This in the middle. And we can zoom in a little. Yeah. The line's going across to pair, so it is updating 13%. It will be going through. It looks like it's done it, and it's finished, and it's doing. There's a nice little display on this. That's quite strange. I can't see that at all, to be honest. It's too small. But yeah, you won't be able to watch the own video and read that afterwards. So it's not giving any personal details. If it is, then this part of the video will be edited. So it's rebooting. Firmware updated. Is it still doing it? Still installing firmware. This has been a few minutes doing this anyway, so it's not too long. But you don't have to do this all the time. This is just because it's a brand new, never been used watch. I mean, the guy who sold me this on eBay, I think his eBay username was Johnny Bravo. Thank you very much for selling me this at a decent price. £150 for the whole lot of this is a good price for everything packed, not just having the case. So it is pretty good that there are still some honest people out there who will sell stuff at a reasonable price, which is good. Thank you. So, yeah, it is worth 200, goes well over £200 for stuff like this, if you can buy one. I mean, there's plenty on eBay. If you want one, go get one. Still installing firmware. Dum-dum. I mean, if that is the right, then it's just finished. Okay. Connecting to watch. Hopefully nothing untoward's going to be on this. Got the right date as well, because today is the April the 6th of filming, and that is the time, 1:43 exactly in the afternoon. Okay, so connected to watch. Right, so what do we do now? Is that all? We've got features on here. Control music. Notifications. Show weather. Oh, cool. Settings, brightness, that's screen brightness of the phone, of the watch. Won't change, won't slide across. Oh, there we go. Ah, yeah. I do like controlling things remotely. Screen timeout, yes. Screen brightness, yes. Date format, I can change. April 6th is a bit more American than me, which is fine. 6th of April, cool. So I can put the year on that as well. Day, month. I put the year. See that the year format's weird. 24 hours. Change that. It's 13:44 now. Wake on tap. Yeah, and yeah. That's cool. And the manual is all there. All just laughing and whatever with me. I don't know how long the batteries last on the watch. I mean, it's nice enough. There's still the screen protector over this. I've not touched anything on this yet, but shouldn't go flat straight away. Should be in charge to play around with. Actually, on the screen on here, I can see there's a second hand ticking around the outside. There probably may be different stuff for this. Oh, I don't want that. No. What do the other two buttons do you think? Oh, notifications. So no notifications. We'll go to settings. Torch. Was that the select? Oh, it just goes white. Okay. So you've got your moon phase. What's the phase of the moon? Oh, okay. Moon distance. That's for tonight. It is quite. That's for tomorrow and the day after. It is quite cute, shall we say? So, sensor graphs. All right, music control, yes. Got a control for the watch anyway. Yeah, it is a good, and it is a thing, shall we say? It's just a watch, but it's in the style of the chronograph, Chronomark 1 from Starfield. There you go. So, Chronomart Planetary Exploration, you have this on your wrist, basically, in the game. So, it's a good enough normal strap, I suppose. So, cool. I really, really do like that. I don't think it's my daily wearer, but it could be if I can wear one for like conventions or something, or just a tinkering around sort of nice show-offy watch. Quite like that. I do have a Samsung smartwatch, which is nice enough for daily use, but this will be, it'll be nice enough to use anyway. So I'll keep this close by so I can actually use it. Do like the mission patches. That's really nice. Cool. So there you go. That's the Starfield Constellation Edition for the Xbox. You get it for the PC as well if you wanted a game code, if you can get one that's not being used. If not, it is out there to buy the game. It is out there to get on Game Pass if you want. If not, then just buy yourself a copy off Steam, I suppose, if it's quick enough. So I think there's usually some offers on. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, get in touch, quick conversation, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye-bye for now.